Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the channel. My name is Aisha Bikes. I'm with Amanda Howard Sotheby's International Realty, and today I am out here in Brier Creek community built by Brier Horton. It is located in the town of Meridianville, which is one of the suburbs of the Huntsville metro area. So today we are going to take a tour of the Fraser floor plan. Now, I'm really fond of the Fraser floor plan simply because what you get in a Fraser floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 3 cars. In this community, you're gonna get 3-car garage. That is the standard. So let's go inside and take a peek. Okay. All right. So again, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,595 square feet. So right now we're currently looking at the driveway and what should be the garage. So as you can see, one side is already garage, but when this model home is purchased, the other side will be closed out and turned and converted into the second and third garage bays. As you can see, they did a great job with the landscaping on this particular one, simply because it is the model, but I like it. It should be the standard. And as you can see from the front, this too is also hardy board. They did a craftsman style. I love this door. You can get the little look-a-hoo out. You do get your key panel. You also get your other smart home features that come with Brier Horton homes. And on this first wing, you have bedroom number 1. And as you can see in this bedroom, they have a twin bed, a very large dresser, full mirror. If you wanted to change the bed out to a full-size bed, it would definitely comfortably fit, or you could just reconfigure everything and have everything facing the window, and it could handle a queen-size bed. Here you have a full bathroom, single sink. I love the fact that they do the tub inserts with the shelving, because shelving in the shower is extremely important. Here is the second bedroom. It is outfitted with a full-size bed. And it also has a little bit bigger closet. Okay, to the wing on our right, I love this floor plan. You have 2 closets going down here. You have a drop zone. As you can see, they put a landing place there. You also have opening to the garage. There's another closet here. That's for the HVAC system. So it's conveniently located for your convenience. And you also have a full-size laundry room that is outfitted with a smart light. I did not turn the light switch on. All I did was wave my hand. So that is a feature that you could have inside your home with Brier Horton if you desire. So this is the 3rd bedroom. This too is a full-size bed. They have a dresser in here. They also have a full bathroom in this floor plan. Like I said, this is Callie's big brother, Fraser. They also have a closet in here as well. So I really love this floor plan. It's given space. It's given everyone has their own separate wing. I love how generous this family room is, and I'm even loving the furniture that they chose to decorate it with. They do have pictures of this on their website, but to me it just shows better in public or in camera. And one thing that I'm noticing, they did do the crown molding throughout on this particular floor plan. So that is a nice feature to see that DR Horton is paying attention to these days, is having the crown molding. I can tell that they've definitely taken time out to update their lighting packages as well. And as you can see, this is a nice size dining area. This table seats 6. And you can decorate the space beautifully, make it truly your own, and just have a really great home. And so you get a flat top range. This is by Frigidaire. You also get a Frigidaire microwave, Frigidaire dishwasher. On this particular model, you get a farm sink. Now this island is not as big as some of the other islands, so you only have 3 cabinets down below. But you get this ginormous pantry. The Fraser floor plan delivers again on space and opportunity. So there is plenty of space in the places that it really counts. And you also have an area for a coffee station if coffee is your thing, or you can put your bar, little mini bar over there. But as you can see, this is a beautiful home and it shows very well. Also, let's head on outside. They do have multiple opportunities of this floor plan. This is a common floor plan. In this area, you do get a full back patio, which can easily be closed in. With this particular lot, because it is a corner lot, you have a little bit larger yard. And this is what we're seeing from the outside. So again, this is DR Horton Fraser floor plan, 2,595 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3 car garage. Beautiful home, great space, standalone sleeping areas. It has brick and hardy board finishings, and it is a great plan. Thank you for watching. I am Aisha Bikes with Amanda Howard Sotheby's International Realty, where every week I help people who are buying and selling within the Huntsville metro area. If you like to see home tours, need assistance, please feel free to like, subscribe, share. Make sure you reach out to me with my contact information down below. And to my babies that are watching this, do know, Mommy loves you. Have a great day.